Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. I am going to do for you the beginning of my fall decor. Now this is the first time ever that I'm going to do a farmhouse style in my home. I'm going to remake my kitchen. That's the area I'm going to do a farmhouse decor for you guys for this season. Now, I must tell you, it will not stay up the entire time, but I like to do something different in the beginning of fall to lead up into the heart of fall for Thanksgiving. So for the first part of the fall season, I'm going to do a farmhouse. So what I want to do, I want to take my cake stand, which I hauled these from Home Goods. I have the small one and the large one. So I'm going to take some burlap. What I want to do, I've got a bow here, and I want to take my bow let's choose where this thing is. Find a center. And then I'm going to put my bow there. Once my bow is down, I'm going to take the burlap, and the bow is just basically taking a strip of burlap and tying it into a knot, a bow, and there you go. So now I'm going to take this all the way around, and I'll be back to show you what my new cake stand looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. It's a big bow on that one, but I'm going to leave it as large as it is. And I'm taking the Dollar Tree little embroidery lace, well it's not lace, but embroidery ribbon. I'm just going to outline the burlap, just to give it a little bit of beige. Lay the glue down, and just take the ribbon all the way to the back of the bow. Hold it in place until it's dry. Gonna do the same for the other side. Lay your glue down. I'm going to do that for the rest of them, and then I will come back and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I've got the back and the sides covered with the burlap, and I really like that rustic look of how it's turning out. And these are to decorate with. They're going to go in different trays. So I wanted to bring this part to you to share. Okay guys, the next DIY I'm going to do is the sign that I have. It says caution, coffee level dangerously low. And I have this in my kitchen coffee bar area, and I just want to give it a farmhouse look. So in order to do that, I'm going to add some rope and some fall to this project. So very easy to convert it. Let's start in this corner. Lay some generous amount of glue down. Lay my rope down. And I do want to have just a hint of the white showing. Once that's sturdy, continue all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead, take this picture, this little sign, I shouldn't say picture, but a little sign, recreate it into a farmhouse style. So I'll come back and share with you how that looks. Okay guys, this might be over the top, but I went ahead and took my rope, rolled it up, and then created a little flower on the sides. I know it's a lot, it's awfully busy, but I somewhat like it. I like the farmhouse look. Alright, I'm going to add that to the rest of my DIY. Okay guys, so this is my next project. This is the Dollar Tree cylinder and the square one. And I want to use that to house my mints, because during the time when it gets hot, like I'm sorry, not hot, hopefully not hot. During the time when it gets cold, like we're in fall and I'm looking forward to Christmas, and you know, you just start getting in that mood for hot chocolate, this is going to house all my mints that are here. So I just took them out of there, and what I want to do is go ahead and just give it a quick decorating. Just add some ribbon to that, just to tie into that farmhouse style. So I'm just adding a burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree. So basically this is a Dollar Tree project. Very simple, very easy, not complicated. I'm going to go around, wrap this, and come back and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so now that I'm finished with the glass, I just want to go ahead and the same flower that I did with the rope, I just want to go ahead and roll that. I'm just rolling it onto each other, just like creating a little flower. This is not going to be a very big one. It's going to be small. I think I might need help. Catherine. Let's see, maybe I can do it without you. Never mind, I think I got it. Guys, I got it.
Does it need my help anymore?
I was going to ask you to squeeze the glue for me, but I've got it already. At least I think I got it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add a little puddle of glue there, and this is going to be my center right here. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that right there. Little rose. I'll fix it and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I decided that I want to add a Walmart gem to this. So I'm going to go ahead and add a dab of glue in the center of that glass. Flip it over. And there we are. Okay, so that will get added to my rest of my decor. Okay guys, so I am finished with the project that we did, and I just want to share with you what we got done. This small basket I hauled from Bell's Outlet, and these are the Dollar Tree signs that came 3 in a pack. I shared with you guys when I hauled them about 3 weeks ago. I also have the Dollar Tree pumpkin, and I went ahead and add some rope around the edge of them just to tie in the fact that I've got all these rope going on here. The larger basket housed my cup, the butter, the sugar, coffee, and utensils. I also have some tea here and honey. Guys, now when we created this, I mentioned to you guys that I have not done a farmhouse style before. I must tell you, I love the way that this coffee station turned out. I hope you do too. I do have some flowers here from Michael's, and the pumpkin I hauled from Hobby Lobby last year, the black and cream. I went ahead and traded out my chefmen, so they're no longer in. Guys, I hope that you do like what we've done with taking what we have and just adding some rope to it to give it a new look. And this is the other cake stand that I did. And I just have a huge pumpkin that I hauled last year from Joann's Fabric. I don't know if you guys remember, but I hauled 3 of them last year. They are absolutely beautiful and heavy. All right, I am going to share with you my full kitchen tour coming up soon. Okay guys, thank you so much again for just being with me, recreating these farmhouse and being able to put them together. Okay guys, I hope you like this coffee bar station. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time and participation. I will see you on my next DIY.